Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can add sparkle effect to our text on Instagram story. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have opened my Instagram and first of all, I'm going to create a story. I'm just going to click on your story and after that, I'm going to choose a photo from my gallery. I'm just going to choose this one and I'm going to add tags to my story by tapping on this tags option and I'm just going to type in magical. Okay, and then if we want to add the sparkle effect, we can go to this option and then you just need to select sparkle. Okay, and you can click on done and this is the result. As you can see that the sparkle effect has been added to my text. Alright guys, and that's all the way to add sparkle effect to our text on Instagram story. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.